My name is Cathy. I'm a full-time RVer, and I'd like to show you an item that I make and sell. I call them photo refrigerator magnets. Like this one. Here's the main idea. Photos must first be cropped to a square, and then on one of these ceramic tiles, I affix the image, trim the edges, and coat the surface with a wax coating for some water resistance. The magnets I use are called rare earth neodymium magnets, known for their great strength. I can use photos that I've taken myself, like these. I can also use others provided to me by my customers. These logos make great-looking tiles. Of course, refrigerator magnets are good for souvenirs, fundraisers, gifts for club members, advertising, and even giveaways. So that's the idea. If you find yourself brainstorming, let me know. I'd love to see what we might come up with together. And my business is good to go anywhere that I am in the great USA. You know, one nice thing about this RV lifestyle is that you never know what might be just around the corner. Thanks for taking a look.